Start by focusing on removing every loose and unstable layer so the vinyl planks sit flat and firmly on the subfloor. Begin by assessing what layers you have and plan an order of removal from top to bottom. If there are peel and stick tiles, heat them with a heat gun on a low setting or a hair dryer and pry a corner with a putty knife. Then use a crowbar to lift larger sections while protecting adjacent surfaces with a wide scraper. For plywood over concrete or another plywood layer, score a grid with a circular saw set to the plywood thickness and cut into manageable panels you can lift by hand, being careful to avoid cutting into joists or the substrate. Wear respiratory protection for dust. Remove all nails, staples, and adhesive residue using a hammer, nail puller, chisel, and a floor scraper. For stubborn adhesive, use an appropriate adhesive remover or a mechanical floor stripper, testing a small area first. After structural removal, vacuum thoroughly, then scrape and sand high spots until the surface is smooth and level within 1/8 of an inch over a 10-foot span, which prevents telegraphing beneath vinyl planks. Finally, wipe the floor with a degreasing solution to remove wax, paint overspray, and dust, and allow the substrate to fully dry before installing any underlayment or the vinyl planks. Common mistakes include leaving small adhesion or tile fragments that later telegraph through vinyl, which you avoid by meticulous scraping and sanding until the surface is uniformly smooth. Another issue is cutting plywood panels too deep with the saw and damaging joists or the substrate. Measure thickness twice and set blade depth to just under the plywood thickness to prevent this. People also skip moisture testing on concrete, which can ruin vinyl if moisture is present. So, perform a moisture test with either a calcium chloride kit or a reliable meter and address any moisture with an appropriate barrier or remediation before installation. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for jobs like flooring removal and vinyl plank installation and to help contractors find work. On our site, we also host a discussion community where homeowners and pros share tips, ask questions, and post photos so you can learn from real projects and crowdsource solutions.